I can't see what's happening on my streaming monitor. Let's see. Oh, I just clicked a button. That might be super helpful. Nope, not really. Could you guys comment to see what? So I can see if the comment pops up. Am I still live? That's not what I wanted to click. Am I still going strong? It looks like I might be on Facebook. All right, so you should see the picture of two hunters. This is, my head is spinning, y'all. I have 3 different programs on my computer trying to do all of this stuff. My computer might explode. But can I get a comment from somebody? I'm trying to see. My comments are supposed to show up in one spot. So if I want to engage, I don't know if I can. Social alerts, maybe that's it. So I want to connect Facebook. Oh, back. All right, so I've got these linked. Again, this is going to be a boring video that you don't need to watch. I'm trying to figure out some new tech, specifically as I try to stream from multiple platforms. So now if I pull this out and then transition, does that go to the Joe Buck video? So when I learn how to use this software, the reason I'm doing it is for the youth ministry, and then we'll implement some of it for Sunday services potentially, is I want to be able to live stream from multiple platforms from one device and have pre-recorded content. So like I record videos. Last week I did a video called Random Things That Hunter Does, where I went and chopped down a chainsaw, or chopped down a tree, cut it down with a chainsaw. And I had a TV right next to me, but the quality wasn't great, both video and audio. Funneling through this system, I'm using OBS Studio. It should allow me to use pre-recorded content going live to Instagram. Now I'm trying to get it set up so I can do all of that, go live using pre-recorded content through OBS and kicking it through Restream so that it's all going to my pages on one website. It's really confusing. I don't even know if I know I don't understand it. So this way it doesn't show me the chat, and that's okay. That's good to know. I'm going to hop off and play with some, wait, timeout. Hang on. Open in browser. I might have found the chat. So somebody comment real quick. The chat is waiting for new messages. So can I see old messages? I don't think I can. Let me pull this up. Got a blank screen. All right, so I'm seeing messages, comments now. Let me try and make it so it's not, I think Tom said it's a blank screen. You should, oops, unlock. Now it should be the Zoom background. Hello, hello. Hey, everybody. All right. So now what I want to try, let's throw a curveball. Transition. Now it should be a countdown. So that picture you just saw, that was So move that cat, and then transition. So can you guys hear me at all? I'm still getting all your comments, which is encouraging. All right, now you can hear me. So why did that? So let me try something else. It's because the countdown is done. Yeah, but I have a mixer. So let me do this. Window capture, display capture. Okay. Well, this is a display. Okay. So the way. Oh, let me just minimize. So I'm gonna pull up my screen so you guys can see what I'm seeing. So you can know what I'm talking about, Matt. So, wow, so right here is the mixer. So you can see my voice. When I pick, let me do this. Add media source, add existing, Palm Sunday countdown. So when I have the Palm Sunday countdown, and I scrap that, you see that I got rid of all the display mess. So now the display is gone. So let me scrap my webcam as well. So all the while this is happening, so this is my preview, and over here with all this minor small part is my program, which means that is what is running. That's what you guys see, or sorry, this is what the social media platforms see. This is what's coming up next. So what I'm trying to figure out is on this software. So down here, these are my sources. So I can add all these things. So a media source, that's a video, picture. That's where like I had all these sample media things. Do you hear anything now? All right. So what I'm going to do right now is it shows me that, see how there's this, I don't know if you can see it, but right above my cursor in this corner is a red square that tells me that the countdown timer is there. So I'm going to hit this transition button. You're going to lose what you currently see. And then I should have another vocal bar pop up here that has my countdown timer. So I'm going to hit transition and we'll see what happens. All right, so just so everything that I just said was supposed to happen. Sorry, that was probably way too loud and overpowering. So what I said was supposed to happen, or what I thought was going to happen, happened. The countdown timer is now going, but I pulled the volume way down so you can only hear me. So now what I need to know is, can you still hear the countdown timer, or can you only hear my voice? You digging that, Matt? This is kind of what we were just talking about on the phone this morning. Just my voice. Dope. All right. So now should hear a little bit of the countdown timer, maybe almost overpowering my voice. All right. So now countdown timer. So I'm going to turn my voice, my mic, all the way down on their mixer. So you just hear the countdown timer. Let me know if that works. All right, can you hear me now? I was talking the entire time, so I'm assuming that this audio mixer is working the way it's supposed to. All right, so the only thing I have to figure out now is getting all of those sources lined up, because check this out. If I add a bunch of content, a bunch of media into... Alright, let me do that for you real quick. I can... So on this countdown timer thing, I can make it as big. I can make it full screen. So like, I'll just do mostly full screen. Oh, that's a little off center. Because the border allows a little bit of wiggle room. You don't want to cut anything off. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to hop off and create my quote-unquote show or service, and then I'm going to hop back on and run through the service and see if it works. So I'm still learning this software. It's actually 2 different programs, not counting the social media platform. But if I can get this stuff to work, I'm going to be a very happy camper. So I'm gonna hop off, try and figure this out, and then hop back on in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes probably. So if you want to engage with that live stream to help me out, that would be very much appreciated. All right, so I will see you in a little bit.